Now you're inciting a breach of the peace.
I've said no.
You're upsetting me, homeboy.
Are you going to step outside?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Then move off to the side. Put your camera down, film the floor, film me. Do not film anybody else.
You do not have the authority to tell me that.
Any action that incites a breach of the peace, any action.
I'm just recording the daily
It's
activity.
people like you that this world is the way it is right now.
They were obviously there to tackle me if need be.
Of course. Have a good day.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Horizon City News Service, who on May 23rd of 2021 was inside the public lobby of Precinct 6-1 of the County of El Paso, Texas, Justices of the Peace, filming the daily proceedings.
Camera on my face.
Sir, I don't mind if you film me or the building. Just don't get close to the cashiers, but please don't film the people. You don't have your permission to film them. I'm a public servant, so you can serve me, but do not film them.
I know what you're doing, man. That's disrespectful. Yeah, you have your own goddamn rights, but you don't got the rights to be recording everybody else.
So, again, sir, can you stand over there for me, please? Sir, can you move over there for me, please?
I'm standing where I'm legally allowed to be.
Okay, this is a county building, so now I'm asking you to stand over there for me,
I'm
please.
standing where I'm legally allowed to be.
There's people here, and I'm trying to hold court.
Do your thing.
Okay, sir, one more time.
One more time.
Now you're being recorded.
I'm standing where I'm legally allowed to be. Remember what I said.
You see the yellow spots? If you need the blue spots, there's people against them. Okay, you're not allowed to stand just anywhere you want.
This is a public place.
Okay, go and stand over there, sir.
I'm standing where I'm legally allowed to be.
There's people behind you, and if you start to film other people, I am going to ask you to leave the building.
I'm allowed to film them.
No,
This is a
you're not.
public place.
No, you're not.
I'm allowed to
Do you have
film.
permission to film them?
I don't need permission.
Yes, you do. Okay, with me, you don't. And that's fine, I get it. It doesn't bother me. But with these people here, you do.
You need to learn the law.
Okay, so you need to watch what you're doing.
You need to learn
And if
the law.
you film the other people.
You need to learn the law.
Okay, do not film
You
the other
need
people.
to learn the
Do
law.
not film the other people.
Watch your mouth.
Initially, he receives no pushback until this man gets upset that someone other than Big Brother is filming him. Remember that the only entity trying to harm this man is the court, but he places his anger in Andre's filming.
Hey, why you recording me, bro? I ain't got nothing to do with what you're doing.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it possible you not call my name while I'm recording?
And this is just...
Is it possible you not call my name when he's recording? I mean,
Hey,
stop
you don't have to
recording me,
record
please.
us, dude.
Start recording me.
Babe, sit down, babe.
Okay, sir, what you're doing now?
This is ridiculous, homeboy. If
you're
you got
doing-
something to do, then you tell them. But you get your ass out of
So
here, homeboy.
what you're doing now, you're inciting a breach of the peace, and that is called disorderly conduct. So if you know your laws, then you know, right?
I absolutely do.
So now you're inciting a breach of the peace. You're upsetting the people.
No, please, babe.
Okay? So at this point, go and step outside, sir.
Watch out, I'm not-
Sir? Okay, now you're inciting a breach of the peace.
I've said no. I've said
You're
nothing.
upsetting me, homeboy. You got some problems?
Don't hold me back, dog. Don't hold me back.
So go ahead and stop. That's enough.
Sir, I've done nothing.
Okay,
Yes, you are,
You're
homeboy.
upsetting the people.
I'm standing where I'm legally allowed
We
to
are
be.
telling you.
Sir,
to stop
you don't have the
recording.
authority to tell me
You
anything.
are recording stuff
I'm
on
standing
me.
where I'm legally allowed to
Are you not
be.
recording that on me?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, then stop.
I have the legal right.
I am legally telling you to stop.
You don't have the authority, sir.
No, I do, sir.
You do not.
Yes, I do.
You
This
do
is a
not.
county facility, and you're disrupting the business inside the county.
Sir, I'm not saying a word.
You are disrupting. With your camera, you're disrupting it, so please step outside.
I have a First Amendment right to record.
Go and step outside, sir.
I'm standing where I'm legally allowed to be, sir.
Are you going to step outside?
Absolutely not.
Okay. Then move off to the side. Move off to the side by the
I'm
door.
standing where you. I'm standing where you told me
No,
to
no,
be.
on the other side of the table. Okay. Now, if you want to play games, we'll play games.
Sir, I'm not playing games.
Okay, then move.
If I go there, I'm obstructing a passageway.
You're not obstructing the passageway. Anybody that needs to be here is inside the building. Now move, because you're upsetting these people.
Sir, that's not my
You're,
intention.
yes, it is. But you're upsetting them.
Sir,
Whether
it's
it's your
not my
intention or not, you are.
It's not my intention.
Okay, so you're causing a breach of the peace, and that's
Sir,
called disorderly conduct.
I have no intention on causing a breach of
But
the
you
peace.
are.
That's
Okay,
not my
you are.
intention.
But
That's not
you-
my intention, sir.
Whether it's your intention or not, you've already done it.
I apologize if you
So
feel that
don't
way.
apologize. That's not that I feel that way. You're upsetting all these people.
I have nothing wrong. I have no problems with this man.
You're inciting a breach of the peace. He doesn't want you recording him.
Sir, I have a First Amendment right to stay in a public place and
So,
record.
but a breach of the peace is still
Right, homeboy?
breach
Yes,
of the
sir.
peace is still against the law.
Fucking problems more than you, homeboy.
Disorderly conduct is covered under Section 42.01 and defines it as intentionally or knowingly using abusive, indecent, profane, or vulgar language in a public place to incite an immediate breach of the peace. It also includes making offensive gestures, using chemicals to create unreasonable odors, threats, unreasonable noise, fighting, discharging or displaying a firearm to cause alarm, and other things. Nowhere in the code does it include filming. In this day and age, everything offends everyone, and if cops could lock someone up because someone else became overly emotional, then no one but the most stoic men on earth would be free, and even then, someone would probably be offended by that too. Andre remains calm and continues filming.
Go and step outside, sir. This
Sir.
is called disorderly conduct.
But I'm not the one being disorderly.
But you are. You're the one causing the breach of the peace.
But what I'm doing is legal.
But you're causing a breach of the peace, and that's not legal.
Yeah, but I can't be responsible for his actions.
For everybody's actions. Everybody's upset.
I-
That's a breach of the peace.
I'm sorry they feel that way, but I have a legal right to stand here.
But not if you're causing a breach of the peace.
That's not my intention. I'm doing what I'm legally
Okay,
allowed
then
to
put
do.
your camera down, film the floor, film me. Do not film anybody else.
You do not have the authority to tell me that.
If you're causing a breach of the peace, I do.
That's not true, sir.
Yes, it is true.
Sir, you really need to learn
Yes,
the law.
it is true.
You really need to learn the law.
Okay, you're causing a breach of the peace.
That's not how I feel.
Well, I don't care what you feel. That's the law. You should know the law.
I'm telling you what the law is.
No, well, you're inciting a breach of the peace. That's
I'm-
against the law.
I'm not inciting anything. I
Yes,
haven't
you
said a-
are.
Video recording cannot be considered inciting.
Really? Show me where it says that.
Well, I don't have the law books with
Any
me.
action that incites a breach of the peace, any action. Okay? So either you move off to the side or I'm gonna escort you outside. Okay?
That would be a Fourth Amendment seizure.
No, it's not.
Sir, just proceed with your job.
Okay, move over to that side, please.
Are you going to
Stop.
arrest me for obstructing a public passage?
No, I'm telling you to move.
I think I have the right to be anywhere in this public place.
Well, you don't.
According to who? This is a public place.
Yeah, it is a public place, but you're causing a breach of the peace.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay, then do not film these people because you're upsetting them, and that is a breach of the peace.
Sir,
Learn your laws before you're going to come in here and
I'm
challenge
telling
me.
you what the law is, sir.
Okay, and you're wrong.
It's not like I'm trying to antagonize him deliberately.
You are. That's exactly what you're doing. That's exactly
No,
what
it's-
you're doing.
It's deliberate.
That's exactly what you're doing.
That's exactly what you're doing, bro.
Honestly, I really just came to...
Well, if you fucking care about everybody else's feelings, shut the shit off, bro. It bothers other people doing that.
Well,
crap.
Step back. Don't walk towards
Huh?
him. Don't walk towards him.
No, don't try to make this...
Don't
I'll
walk
tell you
towards
what,
him.
I'll
Do
tell you
not
what.
walk towards him.
Walk right here.
Oh, see, I'm not trying to start anything with you.
You're about to.
Look, just calm down, dude.
No, you come down and get that shit out of my face.
It's not in your face. Look how far away I am from you. I'm just recording the daily
It's
activity.
people like you that this fucking world is the way it is right now.
I'm not trying to do anything, man.
No, you can see it right away. Get a goddamn life. Go get a fucking job.
Step out of the side now.
Get a life.
Sir, step off to the side.
Instead of trying to confront the police officers wherever you're going, get a goddamn life. Go get a job.
I don't know why people keep saying I need to get a job.
Yeah,
Sir, step
what
off to the
fuck are you doing
side.
there? Are you getting paid for it?
Sometimes.
Freelance security? Nuh-uh. That's not what it is. That's not journalism, brother. I'll tell you that much.
Really, that honestly is all I was here to do.
That's not journalism.
Well, how do you know?
Don't tell me you're gonna go and fucking sell and make money out of that. No, you're not. You're trying to cause something here.
No, sir, I'm not. I'm just recording the daily
Let's
activity.
just go through the goddamn court. We've been through a lot of shit right now. Just stop recording, bro.
Do your thing, sir.
This man has been yelling and threatening Andre so much that the judge comes out to the lobby to see what's going on and mistakes Andre as the one creating the disturbance.
I got it, Judge. I got it.
You need more officers?
Yeah, I got it, Judge.
Yeah. We're calling more officers. You're disturbing me. I can hear you yelling all the way up there. Could you please keep it down?
That's not me yelling, Your Honor.
I think it is.
Is everybody here for court? Yeah. Go and step into the courtroom for me, please.
Get your fucking phone off my face.
Like I said, you can film me, leave them alone.
Angel. I don't think he can record inside the building. Outside he can do all he wants.
Just take his phone. Ridiculous. That's fine, sir. Just go ahead. Go out on the side.
I really wish you wouldn't advance on me, sir.
I'm not advancing on you.
You're physically advancing.
No, I'm not. I already asked you to move over there. You have plenty of room to move out.
But I can be anywhere in this public area. You can't restrict my movement.
Yeah, he just wants to film the public, and he's already incited a breach of the peace.
No, sir. That's not true.
He's already upset all the people in there.
That was not my intention.
But that's what he's doing. So he thinks he knows the law. He's already caused a breach of the peace.
But that was not my intention.
But you
I'm
have-
just exercising my First Amendment right, and I can't be responsible for how they feel.
Let me hear one at a time.
Yes, sir.
So he already has. The judge has already come out and expressed his concern. And he wants to keep doing this, that's fine. So I just put everybody into the courtroom. So he can't film cashiers or anything back there. If he thinks he knows the law, that's fine.
Sir, I can film anything I can see.
From here, yes, but not from inside the courtroom, okay?
Oh, no, I understand. And even the judge, I told him that I'm not trying to disturb his court.
But you are.
But that's not my intention.
Ozzy, there's a lot of defendants that would disturb for him taking pictures of them personally, and that's not acceptable in my court.
Your Honor, you can't enforce your court rules out here. The First Amendment allows me to record them. Well, if you understand, you can't do what you're
I'm
doing.
letting them hand him over his job to protect my court.
He has a gun.
Okay, and I'm not trying to harm your court.
All right, I want to talk to
He's
you.
just out here.
All right?
I'm sorry?
He just out here, all the people that were sitting here, he was filming them. And he upset a couple of them. You know, so.
Oh, by filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So then, this is what we're gonna do, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Have they rescheduled this case?
He's not even here for court.
Oh, you just came to film, that's it?
I just wanted to film the daily operations of the Justice of the Peace.
I get you, okay.
Yeah.
Well, do me a favor then, okay? You can film everything you want from outside the doors.
Sir, I have a legal right to walk in.
Yes, but you're breaching the peace in here. So if you want to get arrested for breaching the peace, that's fine. I mean, nobody has a problem with that. You can stand outside the door, film all you want, okay? But at this time, I am advising you that you are not allowed in here in the courtroom. You have no business in the
But this
court.
is not the courtroom. This is the public lobby.
Okay, this is a public lobby, but you have no business in the public lobby, and the judge already advised you.
But sir, he doesn't have authority in this lobby.
Actually, he does. This is his building. But I'm not going to argue with you. That's your choices. You want to go to jail for disorderly conduct, or you want to stand outside and you can record outside anything and everything you want.
Sir, I was never disorderly. I was simply standing and recording.
Right now, you're causing a breach of the peace. You know what that means, right?
Yeah, but
Okay, you already disrupted the court. The judge already came out and talked to you. That's considered a breach of the peace. So we're being very, very lenient with you. So that's the two choices. What do you want?
let me just say one thing.
No, nothing
Can I just
else.
say one more thing?
Nothing else. That's your two choices. What do you want?
I'm going to take choice two, but I just want to say one
Okay,
thing.
let's go outside.
But sir, can I just say one thing?
Yeah.
If I came and I wore a swastika on my shirt and people didn't like it, can I be held responsible for their reaction?
Of course not.
Well,
But-
that's what happened today.
But if they get scared, any type of breach of the peace, it means that you're making somebody else uncomfortable. That's considered a breach of the peace. Then we can act on it, and then it's considered disorderly conduct. This is real basic.
This is tyranny of the majority.
Okay, you can step outside now.
This isn't over.
Oh, that's fine. But you can record everything you want.
You guys are going to see I have a legal right to be here.
Okay.
Who are you guys?
Sheriffs.
Like a detective?
Yes, sir.
Before you advance on me, can I just get some names here?
Yeah, you can get them
go
outside.
ahead.
Go ahead. No, it's outside. There you go. You can record anything and everything you want from out here. Okay.
You're
Now,
violating
I'm
my
gonna-
civil rights.
I'm gonna advise you right now, okay? If you come back into this lobby, you will be charged with criminal trespass.
Yeah, but it's a public place.
Yes, but if you're not wanted at a public place, because this is a county building, so then it would be criminal trespass. I know you're not gonna understand. You got your mentality.
My
but
mentality? I'm living by the Constitution.
Okay, that's what's gonna happen. Okay, you understand?
Do you have like a business card?
No, I don't have any business card. You're recording. You got everything on video.
Could I get the names of these other officers? Like that deputy? Who's
They
that
weren't,
deputy?
they weren't involved with anything?
Well, no, but they were obviously there to tackle me if need be.
Of course. Have a good day.
Can I get your name, deputy?
I'm Lieutenant Washington.
Oh, you're a lieutenant? Yes. Lieutenant, don't you understand the Constitution that I have a legal right to be here?
I understood what he told you. He explained it to you well. I believe he's correct. He's explaining it to you. So, like
You believe that's correct? Man, you guys,
But that is correct. Okay.
that's not, you guys need to learn the First Amendment.
Okay, but you can record whatever you want from outside the lobby. Okay?
All right.
All the king's horses and all the king's men arrive to remove Andre from the lobby. What seems to be lost on most of these citizens is that all of the camera footage from the body cam and CCTV systems inside this lobby is available through FOIA requests. There's no difference between Horizon City News Service and the state's cameras, except the bureaucracy, paperwork, and money barricading the state's recordings. Currently, we can generally obtain the footage with relative ease, unless the government declares them to be a part of an investigation or to show sensitive information, which is why the right to film in public is so important. I currently have several appeals submitted with many counties across the United States requesting the release of footage. Some of the records are denied because the agency in question is currently investigating itself. Other incidents have hours worth of footage, and the agency involved is requesting thousands of dollars to release it. Filming interactions with state actors in public places needs to be normalized. More than ever, we need government transparency, which is why it's so important that these citizens learn that not only what Andre is doing is legal, it's crucial to keeping government accountable. Unfortunately, Andre has yet to find a lawyer willing to take on cases against law enforcement. Even though this situation would likely be an easy win, please be sure to head over to Andre's channel, and while you're there, let him know I sent you. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.